Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down Klaviyo's pricing plans to help you decide which one fits your business best. Whether you're just starting out or managing thousands of customers, Klaviyo offers flexible pricing options tailored to your needs. We'll go over the free plan, paid tiers, SMS-specific pricing, and more. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what Klaviyo costs and how to make the most of it. Let's dive in. Klaviyo's free plan visuals. Klaviyo pricing page highlighting the free plan. Let's start with the free plan. It's perfect for beginners who want to test out Klaviyo's features. Cost: $0 per month. What's included? Up to 250 active profiles, 500 monthly email sends, 150 SMS MMS credits, email support for the first 60 days. This plan gives you enough tools to experiment with email campaigns, SMS marketing, and customer segmentation without any cost. It's perfect for small businesses or individuals starting out. Paid plans, email only, and email plus SMS visuals. Comparison chart of the two plans. Next, we have the paid plans. These are ideal for businesses ready to scale up. Email only plan, starting at $45 per month. Best for businesses focusing solely on email campaigns. Includes support for 1,001 to 1,500 profiles, 15,000 monthly email sends, 150 free SMS MMS credits and push notifications. Email plus SMS plan, starting at $60 per month. Best for brands looking for an omni-channel approach. Includes all email features plus SMS capabilities. Supports growth with a 19% increase in GMV on average. You can also estimate your cost using Klaviyo's pricing calculator based on the number of profiles you manage. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit the subscribe button. It helps me create more helpful videos like this one. 3. SMS-specific pricing visuals. Overview of SMS pricing. Now, let's talk about SMS pricing. Klaviyo uses a credit-based system where each SMS message costs about $0.012. This includes carrier fees, and you'll even get a free toll-free number or branded sender ID. What's great is that SMS MMS credits can be used across multiple countries, including the US, UK, Australia, and Germany. So if your business operates globally, this is a fantastic option. Advanced tools and CDP pricing visuals, ROI calculator and customer data platform details. Klaviyo also offers advanced tools for businesses that want to maximize their ROI. ROI calculator, estimate your returns based on email and SMS marketing strategies. Customer data platform, CDP. Starting at $500 per month for 100,000 profiles, this tool helps you store, analyze, and activate customer data seamlessly. If your business needs a tailored solution, Klaviyo's sales team can create custom plans to fit your needs. FAQs and support. Here are some common questions people have about Klaviyo.
What is an active profile?
These are contacts eligible to receive marketing messages. Suppressed profiles, like unsubscribed users, aren't included.
Do prices include taxes or fees?
Taxes aren't included, but SMS carrier fees are.
Can I use email or SMS separately?
Yes, you can enable one channel at a time based on your needs. Conclusion. That's a wrap on Klaviyo's pricing plans. Whether you're just starting with the free plan or scaling up with their advanced tools, Klaviyo has something for everyone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.